Welcome to Farmhouse Bliss, where rustic charm meets modern living. Get ready to transform your space into cozy perfection. A rustic farmhouse kitchen isn't just a design, it's a feeling. The warmth of natural wood, the coziness of a lived-in space, and the charm of vintage accents draw you in like a gentle embrace. You'll enter a farmhouse kitchen today, where each element has been thoughtfully designed to create a homey atmosphere, and every nook and cranny tells a tale. This tour will walk you through a real and welcoming kitchen, one area at a time, whether you're remodeling your own kitchen or just adore farmhouse decor. The kitchen island in any farmhouse kitchen becomes the gathering point where conversations flow freely and meals are prepped with love. Here, it's all about blending function with style. Rustic farmhouse cabinetry brings a sense of tradition, with open shelving and cabinets designed to store essentials while adding charm. The cabinetry often tells its own story, with natural wood tones and simple, functional designs. While modern convenience is necessary, farmhouse kitchens thrive on the character added by vintage appliances. These elements blend old-world charm with today's functionality, becoming a focal point of the kitchen. Rustic farmhouse kitchens often feature flooring that's natural, warm, and worn with love over time. Whether it's wooden planks or stone tiles, the flooring sets the tone for a farmhouse kitchen's overall aesthetic. Rustic farmhouse cabinetry brings a sense of tradition, with open shelving and cabinets designed to store essentials while adding charm. The cabinetry often tells its own story, with natural wood tones and simple, functional designs. The farmhouse kitchen often extends into a cozy dining area where friends and family gather around a rustic table, sharing meals and making memories. hope you've enjoyed this tour of our cozy farmhouse kitchen. It's a space that we love and cherish, and we hope it inspires you to create your own inviting and functional kitchen. This kitchen is more than just a place to cook and eat. It's a space that tells a story and reflects our love of farmhouse living. Modern kitchen countertop showcasing fresh produce, herbs and spices, minimalist and clean aesthetic. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more farmhouse living inspiration. Exterior shot of a charming farmhouse. Step into a world where rustic charm meets modern comfort. Create an ultra-realistic image of cozy farmhouse kitchen exterior, a space designed to inspire and delight.